Hey friends, let's go over the Danish knot today. I've got a little triangle and I'm going to come up through the very top of my triangle, pulling my thread through, and I'm going to come back down through the fabric, the bottom right corner of my triangle. I'm going to come back up through the fabric on the bottom left side, and I'm going to bring my needle up underneath that first stitch we made, just like this. Now I'm going to bring my thread back around and come back underneath on the opposite side. And to secure the knot, I'm going to come back down through the fabric and knot it off on the back side. This shape is a lot larger than I would normally use if I was going to do a real Danish knot, so I am going to show you how big it would actually look on an embroidery. I included the bigger triangle on my stitch sampler because I feel like it's easier if you're just learning to learn on a larger shape so you can see where your thread and needle are going, but that might just be me. So anyway, here's what a more normal Danish knot would look like. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. Thank you.